Hello friends! Today we are drawing a piggy and let's get started. We're going to begin by drawing the eye. Just one eye on the left and then a second eye kind of farther away for the right eye. There. And then we're just going to fix that up. And we're going to draw 2 dots for the snout, like so, like that, and then a little circle around the snout. Easy peasy, and a tiny little smile underneath. Then 2 little eyebrows, there, and then a straight line that curves up into a rainbow all the way around the head. Perfect. Then you want to draw 2 lines like this on the head for the ears and 2 lines on top. They're a little bit curvy, just a little bit curvy. And then a smile on one side and a smile on this side. Great. Then we're going to draw the cheeks. It's a curvy line down and then a curvy line up. Look at that. We just need 2 little circles for the cheekies. There we go. And then we're drawing 2 lines going down for the body. Easy peasy. Then 2 lines going out for the legs, and they're pretty short lines because Piggy's legs are pretty short. Then you want to draw 2 curvy smiles on the bottom for the little feet and round it out like so to make the hooves, and 2 little lines in the middle for the hooves. Alright, then you're going to draw a line going up from one side and a line going up from the other side. And then you're going to draw a line going down on the diagonal and another line going down on the diagonal. Then a line going straight and 2 little smiles for the hooves. Another line on the diagonal and another one on the diagonal. And you guessed it, a line going straight and 2 little smiles. Perfect. Then just a cute little belly. That's it. Let's do the swirly, curly, cute tail. There it is. How fun! I hope you enjoyed doing that with me, and please let me know in the comments what you want to draw next.